Hey guys, in today's video I'm doing my very last summer makeup look of the year. I thought that I would do a super intense like summer orangey, like a bright lip summer makeup everything. I just wanted to do one last summer makeup look before the fall makeup looks start coming and the winter makeup looks start coming, you know. After today, my video is going to be very fall, so if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already have my eyes primed. I just used the Colourpop No Filter Concealer today in the shade Light 10 just to quickly prime them and make sure all my veins are very well covered. And now I'm going to take the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm only going to use a few shades today from this palette, but I'm going to start off by taking the shade Breakaway right here just to set down the concealer a little bit. It has like a little bit like a sheen to it. I wouldn't call it like a shimmer eyeshadow. It's more like a satin, so I think it'll look really good on the concealer. And then we'll go into the shade Still Shot right here, a nice like peachy shade, and I'm gonna stick this all in my crease. I'm just gonna use this as my transition. Okay, so once that peachy shade is on, I'm going to jump into a different palette. So I'm gonna go into the Colourpop Yes Please palette right here, and I'm gonna take this yellow right here and blend this in my crease as well. I'm just gonna do this right over top of the peachy shade, just so I have a hint of yellow on my eye. And then I'm actually going to go back into the Born to Run palette, and I'm going to take the shade Baja, I'm not sure. It's just the orange shade in the palette, and I'm going to buff this in my crease. This orange is really pretty. It looks a lot darker in the pan, but when I put it on my eye, it's a lot lighter, which is what I like, because I like lighter oranges for like a summer look, you know. I want the look to be kind of like a sunset, like an orange sunset. Yeah. So far the shade is blending out really nicely. It's very seamless and very blended. There is no harsh lines on my eye today. And I'm actually going to go back into the Colourpop palette and take the yellow shade one more time. Well, I don't know if it's one more time, but I'm just going to take this on the same exact brush and blend the very top out, just so I can get that yellow back into my eye. I feel like I'm a little bit too orange right now. Okay, and then I'm going to cut out my crease, and I'm just going to do like a rounded shape cut crease today. I'm just going to use a white foundation for this, my LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation. That's white. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into the Urban Decay palette and take the shade Stranded right here. It's like a really pretty gold color. The Colourpop palette also has like a gold color too, right there, but these are what they look like compared to each other. The Urban Decay one is a lot more golden, so I think I'm going to like that better for like a summery look. This one's a lot brighter, but I don't know. Such a hard decision. Urban Decay is what we're going in with, I would say. I'm just going to take it up on my finger first. So pretty. This is like the most pretty gold I've ever seen in my life. And then I'm going to take the shade, I'm actually using the Urban Decay palette a lot more than I thought I would, but I'm going to the shade Ignite right here. It's like a deeper golden color, and I'm going to stick this on the outer V part of my cut crease right here. just to give a little bit more dimension. And then I'm going to take my same blending brush that I used the orange and the yellow on and go back in and just blend out my crease one last time. Definition of summer on my eye. And now I'm just going to clean up the outer edges of my eyes and move on to the face, I think. That's a lot of fallout. I actually might just do mascara for this look. I know that I never do that, but I don't know. I'm kind of feeling mascara today. Because I literally don't think I've ever done a makeup tutorial without lashes on. Which is kind of bad, but I don't know. I feel like my look isn't complete unless I have lashes on, but today I want to do no lashes. So I'm just going to curl my lashes really, really good. Because I cannot apply mascara without curling my lashes. And for mascara, I'm actually going to use a little mini sample size of the Lancome Once You're Big. Because I love this mascara. It's amazing. Hopefully it makes my lashes amazing. I feel like the reason why I don't wear mascara in my tutorials, like just mascara alone, is because I don't have like a good mascara that's like good enough just to wear no lashes, you know? I really liked the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, but it dried up really fast, which I don't like, but it's really cheap, so. I actually want to try like the primer that goes with the mascara. My lashes will be amazing with that. I can just feel it. I'm gonna try to do more looks without lashes. It's mascara, it's okay. It's okay. For foundation, I'm gonna do like a bit of like a mixture. Today I'm gonna use the Tarte Pro Glow. It's like a liquid highlighter in the shade Stunner. I've never tried this before, and I want to mix it in with my foundation today. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 115. It is a bit too dark for me, but you know, I'm going for like a bronzy summer look, so hopefully it'll be okay, and I can like blend it down my neck a lot. Because I do want to be a little bit darker today, because it's summer and I'm about to get white as ghost. You know, I gotta use this shade one last time. Because once I get super fair, the shade does not work for me. Ooh, it's just like really pretty. I like it a lot. I'm just gonna do this on the back of my hand. That looks very shimmery. Liquid champagne. Actually, the color's not like too bad. And I'm using the Morphe E6 brush. It's like a flat top brush. It's my favorite foundation brush. I'm just using it because I don't feel like dampening my beauty blender today. Okay, and then for concealer, I'm going to use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Might be a little bit too light, but that's white. And then to set that in place, I'm going to use this e.l.f. finishing powder in the shade Fair Light. This powder has a little bit of a deeper tone to it, so it's going to kind of help tone down the brightness of my under eyes. Because they're pretty bright today. Oh my god, there's a spider on my ceiling. Okay, so I'm actually going to continue on with the face. Sometimes I go back to the eyes, but today I want to go back to the face. To bronze, I'm going to use the most classic, favoriteest summer bronzer in the whole world, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, because you know, everything about this screams summer, so I'm going to use it today. And then for blush, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Apricot in the Middle blush because it's just like the perfect summer peachy blush in the whole world. It's my absolute favorite, and it's only like $3. And then to highlight, one of my favorite highlighters, I'm going to use the Colourpop Flexitarian highlight. It's a really nice like champagne white color, and that's really intense. And then today I'm actually going to set this down with a little bit of my badescu facial spray. Just to sink everything into the skin. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. I usually don't do it when I film because I don't wear my makeup outside ever, so. Okay, so moving back to the eyes. First shade I'm going to pick up on my lower lash line is the shade Still Shot right here from the Decay palette. I'm just going to blend this down there as my transition once again, and I am going to be connecting to that outer edge just so everything looks really seamless and like a beautiful haze around your eyes. And I'm going to take the shade Baja. That's how I'm going to pronounce it, like Baja Blast. And put this down there as well. This is so pretty. I love it. It looks a lot darker now that it's on the lower lash line. I feel like with the blending brush, it kind of lightened it up a lot, but once you take like a more precise, dense brush, it looks a lot darker. Then I'm going to go into my Colourpop palette and take the yellow shade, a more fluffy brush. That is Summer Sunset. I'm gonna miss summer makeup looks so much. And then before I apply some lower lash mascara, I'm going to highlight the inner corners, and I'm going to take shade Blaze right here and pop that there. I'm not sure how intense this is going to be. I kind of want to be like really bright, but you shall see. It's a nice brow bone highlight. I'm actually going to go into my Colourpop palette one last time and take the yellow shade right in the middle, like goldeny shade, and put that in the inner corners even more because I feel like the Urban Decay color wasn't showing up intense enough that I like. And I feel like this one's really yellow, so it'll look cool in the inner corner. But I did like that shade for the brow bone. It looks really good for the brow. And now I'm going to apply some lower lash mascara to finish up this look. Actually, really quickly I'm going to apply a white eyeliner to my waterline. That needs to be sharpened. For lips, you can do like a glossy nude, but today I'm going to do like a bright pink fire kind of color. I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Ibiza. It's like one of my favorite bright colors for summer. And then one last thing that I want to do is recurl my lashes, because I find that once the mascara completely dries and you go back in to recurl them, it just makes your lashes look a lot more uplifted and like more intense. Like it looks like you're wearing false lashes when you do this. So I don't do it like too harshly or anything. I just do like a little claps and then spread them apart. And they just look so much more intense now and like a lot longer than they did before. Okay, so that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my last summer makeup look of the year. Not forever, just of the year. I'll still probably wear like some more summery makeup looks during the fall and winter time, but that's okay. So yes, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like it before you leave. And if you want to see more videos from me, I'll upload most Mondays and Fridays. So if you want to see those videos, then stay tuned. Other than that, I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Okay, the spider is right next to me. Do you see him? He's right there. Gotcha. What is that sentence? Okay, so moving on. This palette is like really heavy, by the way.